No, I think that NCL played a very critical role in public policy, and I again, these were the days when the public policies were evolving in India with respect to the chemical industry, and new instruments of governments were being created to help start the chemical industry in India, incentivize them. Now, I think the NCL was a crucial and a key player there. In fact, the first chemical industry in India, which is a public sector chemical, the first two chemical industry in India were actually begun with the help of NCL, the Hindustan Organic Chemicals and the Hindustan Insecticides Limited, the HIL. Both are, HIL is still there, but Hindustan Organic Chemical has vanished. Dr. B.D. Tilak was the chairman of the Hindustan Organic Chemicals Limited when it was started. He became the chairman of the board, of Hindustan Organic Chemicals Limited. So they had, so the powers to be in those days who are creating these new investments understood that the director of a national chemical laboratory is just not a scientist who just manages a research, but he has a much broader role to play in the growth of the in policy issues. In my department when I came, which was working with what is called a controlled release technology, encapsulation. Yeah. And I didn't know anything about encapsulation, when I came here, micro encapsulation. And when I heard the presentations and discussions with the team here, I thought this is a great opportunity, it is a great platform to build. And I saw many more opportunities than what they were doing at that time. So, actually I sustained that group till I was there, because I felt that, and we had a successive generation of people who worked on micro encapsulation, and I think it was one of the very interesting area of research which I think even today is relevant, but because in variety of ways, because micro encapsulation is the heart of many things, not only for chemistry, but also for biologicals, for delivery vehicles, and so then later on Dr. M.G. Kulkarni took some interest in micro encapsulation from a biological point of view. But so that was the only group here that was, and that also was happening because there was a United Nations Development Program, at that time funded by UNDP, and that program somehow had something to do with safer pesticides. Okay. Because pesticides was a strong, so they were looking at how to improve the safety of pesticides. So amongst the many other work that was going on in NCL, this group was asked to look at release of pesticides in smaller doses. Okay. So this controlled release part of it came into this polymer chemistry area,